Thinking about lightning strikes? They can even hit right behind you without any warning. From a lightning strike hitting Florida's main highway, to one striking the Eiffel Tower in Dubai, and another hitting a tree in Russia, and a construction site. Even in Canada, lightning caused powerful strikes. These moments show how sudden and frightening lightning can be. This lightning strike happened on July 1st, 2021, over the northern Kawartha Lakes. It caused damage to several homes and properties in the area. This lightning strike was captured on December 9th, 2023, when a woman was recording on her phone. On August 3rd, 2013, a girl was recording from inside her house when lightning struck a tree right beside her. On December 11th, 2011, a lightning strike hit the Mululaba area in Australia. This lightning strike happened in 2013 in South Korea. This lightning strike was captured on a dash cam in 2013 in San Antonio, Texas. The driver was on the road when the sudden strike lit up the area. On June 23, 2017, a lightning strike hit a tower in Toronto.
Ooh, that's gonna be loud.
А что спушка, кажется, качается? Да-да-да!
On November 29, 2009, a boat was hit by a lightning strike. The powerful strike was dangerous and could have caused serious damage. This lightning strike happened on April 4th, 2023, while a person was standing on the balcony watching TV. This dashcam footage was recorded when a car was parked on the side of the road. Shortly after, lightning struck a tree directly in front of the vehicle.
Holy.
The weather here is very severe, with lightning striking across the entire Kawartha Lake area. Multiple lightning strikes hit different places, causing significant damage.
Over my head.
This couple was enjoying the rainy weather when lightning struck very close to them.
Oh, yes, I got that.
The clouds are thundering heavily and lightning is striking. If it hits, it can cause serious damage, as seen in previous videos. These people were standing by the window, recording the heavy rain when lightning suddenly struck nearby.
Holy.
On March 14, 2021, this tragic event occurred when 4 people were using a tree as shelter from the rain. Lightning struck, and sadly, all 4 lost their lives in this devastating moment.
Oh my god! Oh my fucking god!
Oh my god! Are you kidding me?
This clip clearly shows how dangerous lightning can be. Just watch this footage to see its impact.
The gamble strike last night.
I wasn't even out.
Holy shit! Oh my god! Oh my god!
These people were recording a video and were wondering what would happen if lightning struck the tree.
Stall! Stall!
If you want to watch more disaster-related videos like this, don't forget to like our channel, subscribe, and press the notification bell so you can stay updated with all our upcoming videos.